How to install Loklok on Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Loklok on Smart TV. If your TV runs Android TV, it's easy. Step 1. Install Downloader from the Play Store. Step 2. Go to Settings, Security, and allow unknown sources for Downloader. Step 3. Open Downloader and enter a trusted Loklok APK URL, like from loklokapk.com. Download it, hit install, then open. You're done. But if your TV isn't Android based, no problem. Just plug in a streaming device like Fire Stick and follow the same steps using Downloader. Either way, you'll get access to Loklok's shows, anime, and movies. Fast, simple, and works great.